Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to get some super cheap Mountain Dew products this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any more awesome deals. Also, hit that thumbs up button for me because it's a free way, an easy way, and a quick way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all already know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, in order to do these deals that we are about to talk about in this video, you are going to need to be signed up for Ibotta. So if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, this is one of my top rebate apps because I have literally saved thousands, yes, thousands of dollars just by using this one rebate app. So definitely go and check it out. Make sure that you sign up and clip the rebates that we are going to talk about in this video to your account. Now, if you're not already signed up, I do have a referral code, which is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And then the second rebate app that we're going to be using with these deals is called Fetch Rewards. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you are waiting on because this is the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to add anything onto your account. You don't have to worry about anything. All you have to do is go to the store, make your purchases. Once you get done, you scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app. They're going to give you points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So it is super simple and easy. I highly recommend this, especially if you are a new couponer. So if you're not already signed up, I do have a referral code, which is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so we are back at the kitchen table and I have some more awesome deals that I cannot wait to share with y'all. So, first up, I'm going to say I went into the store on Monday. Went into DG on Monday. I did a $5 challenge video, and I came out with 16 items for $5. So if you guys missed that video, definitely go and check it out. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. All right, so whenever I went into the store on Monday, I had two deals in mind for these Mountain Dew products. So I'm going to give you all, I think I have a total of 4 different ways that y'all can do these deals this week. As long as you have the rebates on your Fetch and Ibotta accounts. So make sure that you stay tuned until the end. But the first step that we need to do is to check our Ibotta accounts and to check our Fetch Rewards accounts. So we're going to go over some rebates because there's a lot going on with these Mountain Dew products this week. So first up, we're going to talk about the 20-ounce Mountain Dews. These are priced at $2 each. And they are on sale, 2 for $3.50. So what you want to do is pick up a total of 3. Now, you need to pick up at least one Major Melon, 20 ounce, one 20-ounce Spark Mountain Dew, and a 20-ounce Zero Sugar Mountain Dew. So like I said, they're $2 each, and they're on sale, 2 for $3.50. So that's going to put your subtotal at $5.50. And we're going to pay that out of pocket. But don't worry because we're going to get a lot of our money back, all right? This is going to be a super cheap deal once we're done. All right, so on Ibotta right now, we have a rebate. It's a 50% back rebate on the Mountain Dew Major Melon 20 ounce and the Spark 20 ounces. So that's going to give us $1 back here and $1 back for the Spark. So we're getting $2 back right off the top. Then we are going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards. And right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 2,000 point bonus for purchasing all 3 products. So again, a Major Melon, a Spark, and a Zero Sugar Mountain Dew. So you're going to get $2 back for that. Then also on Fetch Rewards, we have a 1,250 point bonus on the Spark Mountain Dews. So that's the equivalent of $1.25. So you're getting a total of $3.25 back from Fetch Rewards. Then that is going to make your final price just 25 cents for all 3, making those about 8 cents each. So I think that is a fantastic deal. And if you want to save it for Saturday, that's going to be a great deal to throw in with your 5 off $25 scenarios because you're going to have a really super low final price on your deals. Alright guys, now if you love Mountain Dew, here's another way that you can do this deal, but keep in mind, you kind of have to pick which deal you want to do. You can only do one deal per account. So if you wanted to do the Mountain Dew deal multiple times, you would have to have multiple Ibotta accounts and multiple Fetch accounts in order to submit your receipt and get those rebates back, because as of right now, I've only had one of the Fetch Rewards rebates reset for me. So if you want to do the deal this way, you can pick up 2 of the Mountain Dew Major Melon 20 ounces, 1 of the Mountain Dew Spark 20 ounces, and 2 of the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar 20 ounces. That's going to leave you paying $9 out of pocket. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back for the Mountain Dew Spark 20 ounce. And you'll also get $1 back on the Mountain Dew Major Melon 20 ounce. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get 2,000 points for purchasing all 3 of those products, which is the equivalent of $2. And then you're also going to get back 1,250 points for purchasing the Mountain Dew Spark 20 ounce, which is the equivalent of $1.25. Now on my account, I also have this rebate available, so it's 750 points back for purchasing 2 of the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. So there's another 75 cents back on this deal. And we also have a 750 point bonus when you purchase 2 of the Major Melon 20 ounces. So there is another 75 cents back. And once all of those rebates come back to you, that is going to make your final price $2.25 for all 5, making those just 45 cents each. Now again, if you really like Mountain Dew, I think this is the deal where you get the most bang for your buck. So we have the Mountain Dew 12 packs. They are on sale this week, 3 for $11. So what you want to do is pick up a Mountain Dew Spark 12 pack, a Mountain Dew Major Melon 12 pack, and a Mountain Dew Zero Sugar 12 pack, and that is going to put you at paying $11 out of pocket. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, because right now on Ibotta we have a $2 rebate back on the Mountain Dew Spark 12 packs. And we also have a $2 rebate back for the Mountain Dew Major Melon 12 pack. So you're getting a total of $4 back from Ibotta. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you're going to get 2,000 points back for purchasing all 3 of those Mountain Dew flavors. And then also on Fetch Rewards, we have 1,250 points back, which is the equivalent of $1.25 for the Mountain Dew Spark 12 packs. And that is going to bring your final price to $3.75 for all 3 12 packs, making those just $1.25 each. And I think that is a fantastic deal, especially if you love Mountain Dew products. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's y'all a few different ways that y'all can get some really cheap Mountain Dew products this week at DG. And don't forget, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, I do have a referral code, which is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And the same thing with Fetch Rewards. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use my Fetch code, you're going to get an extra 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. And if you're looking for some more deals that you can do at Dollar General this week, don't forget to go and check out my $5 challenge video where I picked up a total of 16 items for just $5. And I will have that video linked in the pinned comment down below for you. And I also uploaded the Good Deals and Glitchless video this week for Dollar General, so make sure that you go and check that out because we have a ton of awesome deals going on at DG this week. We have a lot of really cheap products, plus we have more Ibotta rebates and more Fetch rebates to go over. So if you missed that video, definitely go and watch that one as well. And like I said, I will leave those linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way, an easy way, and a quick way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.